unboxing some stuff here, and first one was for RR. This was his toy. Dali R. This was your toy R. I got 3 of them para gyud one. Malingaw pa R. We have this toy. Look at this, guys. Hope he enjoyed this one. Playing with this. Tapos, R. I got your toy. I got your new one. Oh my God. Why it's so hard? The 3 of them. So let's see. Ano na lang. Abrihan na lang nato kay hirap ko siya. Hala. Naibot. I got the
kabisit. Go.
sama natin. Ha?
Machine. Yan ka.
Oh, ginaman setting na ko. Ora! Asa naman itong pangit? Ihatag isa nila na pa kaya unbox ako. Kurot ko ne? R! Oh my gosh! Snore siya, guys. I have other color like rechargeable pa na siya. So off sa nato kay wala dira ang magbula. Para sa pangit nga iring. I also have other color, guys, like na green and yeah, green na pod. Giduan ako kay if ever malobat, at least na ay other stocks. You know. So this one. Okay. Para to sa ano. Yan ang I'll go somewhere bitaw. Come here. Lala na I got this one, guys. This was for my chest. Go get it! So, ganahan siya, guys. Look. Lala, dari dali. Lala, dali. Get it. Get your toy, Naki. Get your toy. Hala! Hala, anak! Oh my gosh! Get your toy, Naki! Get it! Dali! Dala, dali, dala!